Hi all. In this video we will see how you can access your Android mobile or any Android Galaxy tabs from your PC. Before starting with this, I just believe in words that when you are lazy you will get better ideas. That is what happened with me. In this I have not invented any rocket science, but with the laziness I had thought of the existing softwares and utilized them. So basically, when I work on my computer, I keep my tab for charging, and both are at some distance. So when I work on my computer, I used to get few calls or messages. I was so lazy that I was not going to my mobile and I was not now checking my messages or calls. I was so lazy, I was not moving out from my computer, and I used to keep my mobile like that, and many of my friends used to call and message me, but because of my laziness I didn't reply. So one day when I was sitting on my computer, I got a thought. Because of the laziness, I thought, instead of me going to check the messages and calls, why can't I access it from where I'm sitting? So then I thought about the softwares which are existing. Then one software which came into my mind is TeamViewer. Generally, I use TeamViewer in my PC. So I thought, will there be any app uh, for Android with TeamViewer? So I went in, I've searched the TeamViewer for Android, I've installed, and I've accessed my ID of the Android through my computer, and now I'm able to access. See, as I've already connected to my tab, you are able to see this. However, uh, to make it uh, easy to understand how to install the TeamViewer in your Android, first I have connected here. So once I install and do the settings, I will show how we need to connect from PC to your Android. Say this is your Android. So what all you need? What are the basic steps to connect? The step 1 is TeamViewer install in PC, in your PC, and then TeamViewer support in your Android. So TeamViewer is installed in my machine. I have a TeamViewer, and let me go and install it in my Android app. As I've already said, I have connected, so it is displaying here for you. Once you install this, go here, go to your Android phone, okay, and go to apps, go to Play Store, and here search for a TeamViewer quick support. Here you are able to see two things. One is that TeamViewer quick support and QS quick support add-on for Samsung. Okay, so first, once you install this, if it is a Android mobile, it will not ask anything, but however if it is a Samsung one, then it will give you a pop-up message. Other than Samsung, it will not show any pop-up. If it is a Samsung, it will also ask you to install the add-on. So install this, and if Samsung, install add-on as well. Okay, so once you install this Android as well, the third step what you need to do is connect to your Android from your PC. For that, what you need to do, open TeamViewer in your PC, open TeamViewer in your Android. Okay, and for every TeamViewer you will have an ID. See, this is the TeamViewer ID. This is your this is the TeamViewer ID of my PC. In the similar way, I will have the TeamViewer ID for my Android. So that is this Android. So the ID of the Android, I have entered this and I have connected. So now how I'll show the process. Now let me disconnect and show how to connect again. Okay, okay, I've just closed this. So after closing this, I will open the TeamViewer of my PC, and the next step what I'm doing is, now I'm going into my Android and clicking on the quick support where the TeamViewer is installed. So now I'm entering the ID of my Android here. So once you enter and once you click on the connect to partner, you will get a pop-up message in your Android saying 864268533. This ID is trying to access. Just select allow in the Android, and there you go. You will have, you are connected to the Android. See, this is the one which I have connected, the Samsung tab, and it tells all the information. And when I try to click on remote control, you will get another pop-up in the Android. Just click on allow, and there you go. You are connected to the Android. And now you can just simply access whatever you want, you can do. And the best feature in it is, if I rotate my Android, automatically it will be rotated. See, so in this way you can actually go and access however you want, and if you rotate it will be like this. So now that it is been installed, what all benefits you will get, what all benefits you have. So just you can also make a fun of it, like say you intentionally leave your Android somewhere, leave it to your friend or someplace. So just before leaving it, what you need to do is make sure you have connected from your Android to your PC, and just leave like that, and you can see what your friend is accessing, whether he's going to the movie, going into going accessing your movies, or going to your messages, or is he dialing, is he seeing photos, like see, assume you have kept it. Not only in by this, not only you access the Android, but you are able to see what is going on in Android. See, now I'm moving my, I'm keeping my cursor here, I'm not clicking on anything, but I'm accessing it through the tab. See, now whatever actions you are able to see, that I'm directly performing on the tab. So you can see what all is opening. So if you, so you can see what your friend is doing. It's like, actually is he going through your uh, photos, or what he is doing. You can You can go and see, like, is he going to the messages or what he is doing, you can watch. And also the second part of it is, uh, say suppose, second fun thing what you can do is, make sure that it is installed in your friend's mobile, and just make sure you are connected to it. Without his notice, just send a request and accept allow, and keep it like that. And while your friend is sleeping in the midnight, what you can do is you can directly access, you can call from his number, from his mobile to other numbers. Say assume this is your friend's mobile Android you have connected, just while he's sleeping in the midnight, just go here, call to someone else from his mobile in the midnight and disturb them. See, you can call, you can end the call, you can also send the messages. If you want, you can go here and you can send the messages to anyone. And one fun part in it is, actually you can go and update his Facebook status as well if he's already signed in your Android. This is the fun part. And apart from this, also what you can do is, say suppose you want to see some video in your mobile, and mobile size, and like you say you have 4 or 5 friends, so it is very difficult to see on the small screen. What you can actually do is connect to the TeamViewer, rotate it in your Android, open it, say let's watch some movie. So what you do is connect your Android to the speakers, and display this in your screen, increase the volume, connect it to the speakers, and you can just play, and everyone can see in the big screen, and it will be of the same quality. Okay, what not, you can do almost everything. So go and have fun. You can also see now I am getting some call, and I've just rejected from here. So go, have fun and enjoy.